eyes to see the narrow walls of the heart I have built. You break them down with your boundless grace. Beyond all doubt, onto the path of faith, to the very place that you have purposed. As the word of life is proclaimed aloud, the joy of heaven comes pouring down. The love of the cross that tore down every wall, embracing us all without distinction, consume my heart with the fire of the Spirit. Let me be a light shining in the darkened world. What the Lord has cleansed and made holy, I dare not judge or call unclean. The song of salvation for all the world is flowing freely through us here today.